Hi everyone, today we will be unboxing the Shark Bluetooth Boombox speaker. Shark is a company that's been founded in the USA. They have been selling speakers and some other accessories for quite some time. So they have recently introduced the Shark Boombox portable speaker in India. In India it is being sold by Photronics and the MRP price quoted on the box is 8,990. And as you can see, this is manufactured recently, it's been imported recently, and the model number is SK869BT. This is a Bluetooth 4.0 unit. The other features of this include a long lasting lithium ion battery. It has around 4000 plus milliampere hour battery. It has superior sound quality. It has a built-in hands-free microphone, auxiliary input, headphone jack, and it has micro USB connectivity. Here is the box packaging and here is how the speaker looks. And you also have the speaker in various colors like black, blue, white and red. This speaker also features near field communication so that you can pair your mobile devices pretty easily to this unit. Let us get to the unboxing. Now that we got the outer packaging out of the way, let us unbox the speaker. We have a foam padded interior for the box. First, you have the carry case for the Shark Boombox. Pretty neat, looks like velvet material, and it has fasteners at the top to close the opening. Let's keep that aside for now. We have some documentation regarding this one and a thank you card for purchasing the Shark Boombox. This is the owner's manual, and it has the basic setup, installation instructions and other specifications. And as per the manual, the battery is a high capacity 4400 milliampere hour lithium ion battery that can output up to 18 hours of music playing time. So that's pretty nice considering the speaker size. I mean, most of the speakers in this particular size range and price range do not last more than 6 to 7 hours, and even some of the much more expensive speakers from JBL, Jabra and other companies, they do not last that long. Here you have the power adapter. This looks like a US style pin, and the voltage rating is 5 volts 1 ampere, and it works with 100 to 240 volts, so it will work in India as well. Even though the pins are US pins, it has a USB port below. Let's get that to the side. Then we have the USB to micro USB cable for charging. We also get a aux cable. That's pretty nice. And finally we have the Shark Boombox. Okay, so here it reads NFC Siri wireless speaker. The speaker is pretty compact. Given the box size, I thought it would be really big, but it looks really compact, and it has rubber feet below. Let me get rid of this plastic packaging. It's pretty heavy, so you can see the foam lined interior of the box. Let's keep that aside. And the speaker seems pretty rugged, and here are the ratings underneath the box. 5 volts 2 into 5 watts, around 10 watt power output, 4400 milliampere hour battery, and frequency response of 60 Hz to 20 kilohertz. And you have buttons on the top. This looks like the mute button, skipping the tracks, play, pause, volume up and down, and the call, answer and reject. Here you have a microphone, and on the sides you have the power button, you have the headphone jack, the line in auxiliary line input, and the charging micro USB cable. And on the left side there's pretty much nothing. On the front you can see, I can see two speakers within this one, and towards the back the subwoofer is supposed to be here. This is not visible as of now, but the subwoofer is supposed to be here. Let's see if we can get a look at that by shining some light on it. Yep, looks like there's a subwoofer inside here, over here, and on the front you have two speakers. So in another video I am going to pair this with my phone and see the sound output. Until then, thank you for watching this unboxing video of the Shark Bluetooth boombox. Thank you.